Being able to get real-time feedback and iterate as you design is priceless. And that is what some paid texturing software is capable of. But these are often overkill for GTA San Andreas. Using the Renderware Previewer created by Nanobob, we are able to save our image and get instant feedback. Using multiple monitors can aid in this process, but simply lining the apps up to each other works just fine too. The first time that you run the app, you might get a warning that the application has no signed certificate. However, the software is open source and the source code can be verified on GitHub. There are several software that lets you preview GTA models, but none provide instant feedback. In order to use this app, select your GTA directory. Use left or right mouse button to look around. These must be pressed when doing other movements described in a moment. Hold Shift to move camera up. Hold Ctrl to move camera down. Use WASD to move the camera any direction. Use scroll wheel to zoom in or out. Choose the skin that you would like to preview. Let's go with ID 124. Export the texture to PNG. Select image file and locate the one that you just exported. Make some edits in your image editing software. I have duplicated and brightened the original layer just to make it easier to see which parts of the dark clothes to select. The trick in Paint.net is to press Ctrl-Shift-F and then Ctrl-S. What this does is flattening the image before saving, as without flattening you will be given a warning if your project has layers. In the upcoming videos, I'll be going over how to retexture various skins.